Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today I will create a look which is very unique, and for this purpose I will use primer, and this is a primer from Christine. This is a very soft and very nice primer. First apply on your eyelid area. I have prepared my eyebrows. Now I'm applying primer is a must for makeup. Now I am using DMGM foundation, and I will use it with a sponge. Tap motion. This is a tap motion, and apply it evenly everywhere on your face. No area should left. Apply it very neatly. Now you can see I have done my foundation, and just because of primer it looks very natural, and we can apply foundation very finely. So girls, you can also do this technique. uh, you can blend your foundation with a finger, because finger is a very good thing to blend with. And now I am using this one, a white, this is a silver eyeshadow, and I'm using it. You can see the area where I'm using. You also use silver eyeshadow here, and now I have done my brows earlier, but now I'm making it fresh with spoolie. And again, some shimmer. This is not a shimmer but a silver eyeshadow. Now you can take a brush, and this is the end of brush, pointed brush, and now I'm making my eyebrows neat. You can use this technique with a flat brush we can do this, but with a finger we can blend it very well. My all focus is on blending all the time. Eye makeup is just blending. If you blend well, then your makeup will be very beautiful and blended makeup. Now I'm using a pink powder. This is a blush, but I'm using it as a powder. This is not a pink but a peach color, as Kashi uses peach color for a powder, so I'm also using a peach color. It looks very natural.
As you know, Kashi is very popular for makeup, so I'm applying his technique. Now for eyelids, I'm going to use the same color, which is peach. It looks tremendous on your eyelids, and I'm applying it with finger. For beginners, it is a very good technique to use your finger rather than to use a brush. So I am blending it with my finger very well. If your makeup is blended, it looks very natural. So blend it well again and again repeatedly. You can see how nice it is looking. And now this is a Doodoo Girl palette, and I will use this one color for my corners. It is a brown color, and basically it is a color for contour, but I'm using it for my corners for as a transition color. And mix it well, blend it well, and I'm doing it only on the corners, not on the start of my eyes. Blend it well at the end point. You can do it in circular motion, and you can do it as I'm doing. These two colors looks very pretty, pink and brown, and when these colors mix, then you can see. Okay, now I'm taking Doodoo Girl and this one color. This is a silver color, and I'm using it for my inner corner. I will blend it, and you can check. Now again I'm using this primer on my eyelid only in the mid, and in dab motion use it. And then this is a dust powder from Etude, and I'm applying it with my finger on my lid. With a primer it fixes well. In a dab motion I'm doing it, and gradually I'm taking a very small quantity, a very less quantity I'm taking. For this I cannot say small, as you know, it is not small quantity is not a thing, so I can say it, I can't say it. Now you will for lower line, you cannot use, you can use, but never ever use black, because no one can handle black. So we will take a brown color from Doodoo Girl, and look, just check how well it is blending. Brown looks very natural, and we can blend it well rather than using a black color. It is hard, it is difficult to handle the black color. That's why I used brown color. And now this is aqua eyeliner, which is very famous in the world of makeup. I'm taking this and I'm going to apply on my eyes. Your liner should be very neat and clean and clear, just because it the liner can destroy your makeup and the liner can construct your makeup. So your liner should be very neat, clean and clear. And you can see I'm applying it very slowly. Practice makes a man perfect, as people say, practice makes a man perfect. So when you will practice, automatically you will learn how to apply eyeliner. Apply a line, thick line, rather than applying a very big line, so the thin line looks very natural. And likewise do this technique. I'm also bringing it to the lower line, and now I am using Huda pencil for my tear line. You can say tear duct. So the lower line is done by pencil, white pencil, and just because of white pencil your eyes will look bigger. Now I am applying a mascara. This is a daily makeup, means we can do it on daily basis. So I'm not applying any eyelashes because for daily routine we cannot use eyelashes, so mascara is best for daily routine. And don't forget to do your lower line. Apply mascara on the lower line as well. And you can see the eye makeup is done. It looks very natural, and you can say that it is a very nice makeup in a very less time. So thanks for watching this video, and this is my final look. Check it.